Here we have for you this Volkswagen Tiguan. Now it's a 2-litre TDI SE 150 PS. Now the car is a cracker and it's got a really good spec as well, including adaptive cruise control with front assist. It's got lane assist, silver roof rails, a city emergency brake, a forward collision warning system, rear tinted windows, a camera and/or distance sensor, and these 18-inch Patagonia alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot, it's absolutely massive, and it even comes with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 3-zone climate control, a driver alert system, and a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.